Plants who can make their own food are known as autotrophs, but there are few plants who cannot and are called as heterotrophs. The process by which plants make their own food is called as photosynthesis. The photosynthesis process occurs largely in the leaves of the plants, which are known as the kitchen of the plant. In some cases, even the stems have the potential to perform photosynthesis. Greetings everyone, it's me again, Claire Jimpi Maglangit, and for today's video, I'm going to answer the following question in lesson 5. So let's start! Plants are autotrophs, which means they produce their own food. They use the process of photosynthesis to transform water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide into oxygen and simple sugars that plants uses as fuel. These primary producers form the base of an ecosystem and fuel the next trophic levels. Chlorophyll is a chlorine pigment, structurally similar to porphyrin pigments, such as heme. It contains a fully conjugated therapeural system, or 18p electrons. Greenite pigments containing a porphyrin ring, stable ring-shaped molecule around which electrons are free to migrate. Chlorophyll is the molecule that drops the most exclusive of all powers and is called a photoreceptor. It is found in the chloroplast of green plants and is what green plants green. Chlorophyll is essential in photosynthesis, allowing plants to absorb energy from light. Chlorophylls absorb light most strongly in the blue portion of the electromagnetic spectrum as well as the red portion. Conversely, it is poor absorbing of green and near-green portion of the spectrum. Chlorophyll A is the primary photosynthetic pigment. It is present in all plants, algae, bacteria, cyanobacteria, and phototrophs. Absorb violet, blue, and orange-red light from the spectrum. In chlorophyll B is the accessory pigment. It is present only in green algae and in plants. Absorb orange-red light from the spectrum. The porphyrin ring serves an important function. The nitrogen molecules at the center of the ring are capable of hosting an iron molecule. Is this porphyrin structure holding iron which gives blood its color? The absorption of light is determined by the absorbing molecule in the leaf balance by the structural properties that scatter light, such as air spaces and water-air interfaces. In the visible spectrum, it is photosynthetic pigments, primarily chlorophylls and carotenoids, that strongly absorb light. A thylakoid is a sheath-like membrane-bound structure that is the site of the light-dependent photosynthesis reaction in the chloroplast and cyanobacteria. It is the site that contains the chlorophyll used to absorb light and use it for biochemical reactions. And that's all for today. I hope you've learned something, and see you in my next video. Keep safe everyone.